In this video, we are going to look at linear inequality where we need to solve for x. And before we can do that, I'll encourage you to subscribe to the channels because we upload new videos every week on different topics in mathematics. Please comment that you've subscribed. Now, to solve for x in this linear inequality, we need to know the difference between linear inequality and linear equation. Let's say, for instance, if we have x plus 2 equals to 4, because of that equal sign, we say that is a linear equation and the variable is to the power 1. We call it a linear equation. But in our case here, we call this a linear inequality because the variable is to the power 1 and instead of equal we have an inequality sign. Now the way we do it, we use the same concept when we are solving a linear equation. Now what we are going to do, we have to move this negative 17 on the other side of the inequality sign. Now what you are going to have is this side will have 5x. Instead of writing negative 17, we now write the inequality sign and then we write 18. We move this negative 17 to come this side. The sign changes from negative to positive. Now after that, we can simplify that. This side will still have 5x greater than 18 plus 17. That should give us 35. Now what we can see here is that since you are looking for x, we have to divide both sides by 5. We also do the same other side so that this 5 and this 5 can cancel, and then this side we only have x greater than 35 divided by 5, we should get 7. That is the solution. Now sometimes you may be asked or required to represent this solution on a number line. Now what you can do, you can draw your number line like that, and then we say, suppose since our solution is x greater than 7, suppose our positive 7 is here, and suppose here we have 9, this side we have 5. Now to represent that solution on a number line, what it means that the x values should be numbers that are more than 7. This sign is called more than or greater than, meaning we are looking at the numbers that are more than 7, starting from 8 going up to positive infinity. Therefore what we do, where we have 7, we put a small circle like that. I don't know if you can call it a circle or a 0. And then what we do, we are putting that 0 or circle because 7 is not included in in the solution. We are looking at the numbers that are more than 7, and then we can now take our arrow this side. You need to put that arrow like that. It means we are interested in the numbers that are more than 7, starting from 8, 9, 10, 11. It goes on up to positive infinity. That is basically how you solve a linear inequality. Please subscribe to this channel so that you can follow and learn new topics that are coming every week. In the next video, we'll be looking at simultaneous equations.